In this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product.
Litter Robot, the automatic self-cleaning litter box that really works. Once your cat exits, a timer counts down, allowing litter to clump before a cleaning cycle begins. As the globe slowly rotates, the patented sifting process separates the clumps from the clean litter, depositing them into a carbon-filtered drawer below. The globe returns to the home position, leaving a clean bed of litter for the next use. Empty the waste drawer when indicated and add litter as needed. It's that simple. So say hello to the Litter Robot and say goodbye to scooping litter forever.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.